Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Spectrum pods to Wi-Fi. So, step number one is to go ahead and prepare your equipment, right? Go ahead and ensure that you have your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router and the Spectrum Wi-Fi pods ready. Download the My Spectrum app from the App Store or Google Play, plug in your router, and ensure that it's actually working. Next, you want to go ahead and connect Spectrum pods, right? Plug in the Wi-Fi pods into a wall outlet near your router. Go ahead and open up the My Spectrum app, log in, right? Go ahead and tap on services, click on Wi-Fi pods, and then click on setup pods. Just follow the on-screen instructions to add the pods to your network. Then you just need to optimize your placement. So after setup, you want to unplug the pod and move it to a location with weak Wi-Fi. So the pod should be within a range of the main router for the best signal. Just go ahead and plug it in and wait for the light to turn solid, indicating that it's connected. And that's it, guys. Your Spectrum pods are now extending your Wi-Fi for better, coverage and faster speeds. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.